Tonight's DJ and TV show is sponsored in part by Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, ADJ, NLFX Professional, Promo Only, Newmark, and DJ and TV Insiders.
What it is, my friends, Jared Wade with you once again for today's digital download. This one I'm actually really excited about sharing with you. This is a service that I have been using for a little under a year now, and I thought it would be advantageous to share with you all what it is. And it is Pure Chat. It's right there in the center of the screen, Pure Chat. This is a text communication or an instant messaging communication platform that you can install on your website. So all I'm going to show you right now is the user interface, or at least a quick overview of the user interface on the mobile platform side. There is Android and Apple available, so no matter what phone you use, unless you're using like a Windows phone, in which case, what are you doing? Why are you using Windows? Anyway, this is the Android version, and what it is it's a simple chat platform that you put onto your website where a potential customer could go on the bottom left or bottom right hand corner. There's a little chat here now type of a thing. Well, they allow you for free to put that onto 3 different websites, and you can easily turn it on or off. Like right now, I'm available, so if you visit my website, it says, hey, Jared's available to chat, or I could turn it off. This is actually set up for a timed system, so every day at 9 a.m. it kicks on and I become available, and then at 5 p.m. it kicks off. You can change that however you want. Now, I'm not going to go through everything, but I thought that the one thing that I do want to show you is the fact that when you get a message, it pops in. I'm sorry, not operators, transcripts. There it is. It pops in and it keeps track of all of your conversations. These are all different conversations that I've had. It keeps track of the date. It keeps track of the time. It keeps track of all of that good stuff. So you can always go back and find that conversation that you might have missed. And the really neat thing is you can set up a timer. So if you have a specific time set up, like I've got it for, if I don't respond in, I think 5 minutes, it automatically forwards their message to me via email. And that is outstanding for me. Now, there are paid add-ons. I don't use any of the paid add-ons. I just need it for a simple chat back and forth, but by golly, I've really enjoyed it. It's been a great little service for me. As you can see, let's see here. See how far it goes back. September 5th. It's got to be probably further back than September, but that sounds pretty accurate. But just being able to pull all these up and look to see if I missed anything or anything of that nature has been super advantageous, and I really enjoy the app. So once again, it's called Pure Chat. It is completely free. You just have to do some legwork on the back end of your website to get it up and running, but the app works pretty decently well. I haven't had any major issues with it. Enjoy, have fun. Let me know what you think.